Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to use OS Map to plan routes for different activities such as walking, cycling or driving. So in order to do that procedure, first of all make sure that your app is completely up to date, and along with that make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, go to log in into your OS Map, and when you're logged in it's going to take you to the home page. So right on this page you'll be able to find this option as plan your adventure. Swipe towards your left hand side and go to record an activity, or you can just go ahead and select activity, and after you do that you can go ahead and select what you want to plan your route for, whether it's running or on-road cycling, off-ride, or horse ride whatsoever, or others. Just go ahead and select that and click the continue button. As you do that, now you can use or plan your route for different activities on OS Map. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.